How to change lock screen password on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change lock screen password on Android phone. First, then open settings and then just scroll down until you find this one here, biometrics and password. Click on it and here we'll find change lock screen passwords. Click on it. Now just type your phone password here and then type in new password, and that's it. And you can even change the password method here, and that's how to change lock screen password on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.